Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. Next is product description writing. Every e-commerce store needs compelling product descriptions to drive sales, and if you have a way with words, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many clients pay $10 to $50 per description, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on understanding the product and its target audience. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to e-commerce sellers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Third is business card design. Every professional needs a memorable business card to make a great first impression. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Fourth is event planning. From weddings to corporate events, people are always looking for help organizing their special occasions. If you're organized and love planning, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of event planning, including how to create timelines and manage budgets. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per event, depending on the scale and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Thumbtack or reach out to local businesses that host events. With a bit of networking and marketing, you can build a reputation and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy organizing and want to help others create unforgettable experiences. Finally, let's talk about online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and well-organized information. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses that need market analysis. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose lead generation, product description writing, business card design, event planning, or online research, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.